brand new rent to rent deal. I'm on site just checking in with the painters and it's already looking amazing. It's a 3-bedroom large Victorian terrace property, bang in my investment area. It's got 2 reception rooms, which means we've got the option of converting one into a 4th lettable room if necessary. But to be honest with you, if you follow me, you'll know when I pick up these properties, I'm speaking to my clients, the companies that I'm working with, and I'm assessing the demand. Sometimes we'll go for a family, a consultant and their family. Sometimes we'll do more short-term stuff if there's projects going on or training or, you know, whatever it is short-term. And sometimes we'll put sharers in and we'll do a company let and let that just, pay the passive income every single month. So painters are coming in. This particular property is unencumbered, which means we have the option of doing HMO or SA. There's no limitation. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make this into a HMO with fire doors, smoke alarms, fully ready to go. And then we've got the versatility. In the second reception room, and it's beautiful. As you can see, we've gone for gray feature walls and then white above the dado to give that spacious feel. And the great thing about properties with 2 reception rooms is you do have the option of converting one into either a sleeping area for SA or a lettable room for HMO. So in the back of the property, we've got the kitchen, and you know what? It's a bit rustic. It's not our usual finish, but I think it can definitely work. Once we've painted these walls white, dressed it up a little bit, we might do something with the tiles. Could potentially do something with the floor, but you have to remember, a lot of tenants and clients, they're going to look at the overall feel of the property. It's not all about one element, it's all the other factors as well. And we're in such a beautiful area. It's a south-facing garden. This property's got loads going for it. If you follow me upstairs, we've got 2.5 bedrooms and then a loft conversion as well. So it's super, super spacious. Nice bathroom actually, watch your foot. Freestanding bathtub, what more do you want? Not a big fan of the paintwork right now, but once again, I think we might go like a light grey, the summer grey like we've got downstairs just to bring it to life. Walk-in shower, and this boiler is brand new. And the landlord actually has replaced this because they just want to be hands off, they don't want no issues. So we've got the warranty on this and we can just relax and get it done. This bedroom's gorgeous. Absolutely love it. It's in the rear of the house, which is south facing. It's got some beautiful garden view. And as you can see, whitewash the whole room, grey feature wall. Gonna keep that beautiful fireplace as it's a feature. But what I want you to do is join me in around 10 days. This will be completely kitted out, done, ready to go, ready for the clients. And then you know what we do? We rinse and repeat to rinse the cash flow. If you like content like this, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button and I'll see you next time.